What kind of plastic you carry?
I've got a Visa and a gasoline card. Well, I've got a Neiman Marcus card in case we want to buy a gift for someone. What have you got?
Chalmers Big and Tall Man Shop. It's a 7-outlet chain in the Pacific Northwest. Great stuff. Unfortunately, it does us no good here.
Oh, never mind. Just get me to the train station and I'll take care of everything else.
Oh, I got that all covered. Gus's son's gonna pick us up.
This is not him, is it?
Gee, I hope not. Are you Gus's son?
I'm Owen. You the shower curtain fella?
Yeah. Yeah, Del Griffith. How are you? This is Neil Page from Chicago.
Hi.
Pleased to meet you both. I'm to drive you to Wichita to catch a train?
Yeah, we'd appreciate it.
Train don't run out of Wichita.
Hmm?
Unless you're a hog or a cattle. People train runs out of Stubbville.
That'll be fine.
That'd be
That'll
great.
be just fine.
Now, leave it be. Get your lazy behind out here and put that trunk up in the back.
Oh, no, we've got it.
It's very heavy.
She don't mind. She's short and skinny, but she's strong. Her first baby come out sideways. She didn't scream or nothing.
Isn't that something? You're a real trooper. We've got it. We've got it already. It's done. You know, Stubbville's a little further than Wichita.
How much further?
30 miles. Maybe 40. No more than 45, though, depending on which way he goes. If he goes the back roads, it could be anywhere up to 70 miles.
In the gloves. Oh, just nipped a little part. Oh.
Give him the goddamn glove.
Are we there yet?
No, little way to go yet.